Hello friends, today we are going to learn endocrine and adolescence. Adolescence and puberty. Adolescence, the period of life between 11 years and 19 years when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Between the ages of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescent. During this period, adolescents are called teenagers. Puberty. During adolescence, the body undergoes several changes and becomes capable of reproduction. These changes are the beginning of puberty. Changes during puberty. The important changes taking place during puberty are increase in height, change in body shape, voice change, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity, increase in height. By the age of 11, a boy reaches about 80% of his height and a girl reaches about 88% of her height. Initially, girls grow faster than boys. By about 18 years of age, both boys and girls reach the maximum height. Generally, the height is similar to the parents because it depends on the genes inherited from the parents. Change in body shape. During puberty, boys have broader shoulders and wider chest due to faster growth of muscles. In girls, the breast begins to develop and the region below the waist becomes wider. Voice change. During puberty in boys, the voice box becomes larger and is seen as a swelling in the throat called Adam's apple, and their voice becomes deep and hoarse. In girls, the voice box is smaller and their voice is high pitched. Later, their voice becomes normal. Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. During puberty, the secretion of the sweat and sebaceous glands increases and many teens get acne and pimples on their face. Development of sex organs. During puberty in boys, the testes and penis develops completely and produces sperms. In girls, the ovaries develop completely and produces eggs. Reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. During puberty, boys and girls, mental, intellectual and emotional development takes place. They become more independent, self-conscious and their way of thinking changes. Secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters are the changes which take place during puberty. In boys, hair begins to grow on the face and they develop beard and mustaches. Hair also grows in the chest, armpits and pubic region. The testis starts to produce sperms. In girls, their breast develops and hair grows in the armpits and pubic region. The ovary starts to produce eggs. These changes are controlled by chemical substances called hormones produced by endocrine glands. The male hormone which controls secondary sexual character is called testosterone. It is produced in the testes. The female hormone which controls secondary sexual characters is called estrogen. It is produced in the ovary. The production of these hormones is controlled by another gland called pituitary gland. Reproductive phase in humans. The capacity for reproduction starts at puberty. It lasts for a longer time in males than in females. In females, the capacity for reproduction starts at puberty and lasts for 40 to 50 years. Menstruation. In females, the ovary produces one egg every month and the uterus prepares to receive the fertilized egg. Its walls become thick with blood vessels. If fertilization does not take place, then the uterus walls break and come out of the vagina as blood and mucus. This cycle takes place every month and is called menstruation. The beginning of menstrual cycle is called menarche. When menstrual cycle stops at 40 to 50 years, it is called menopause. Sex determination in humans. Human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of the cell. Out of these, two chromosomes are sex chromosomes called X and Y chromosomes. The female has two X chromosomes and male has one X and one Y chromosome. The sperms and eggs have one set of sex chromosomes. Some sperms have X chromosome and some have Y chromosome. All eggs have X chromosome. If a sperm having X chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, the child will be a girl. If a sperm having Y chromosome fuses with an egg having X chromosome, the child will be a boy. Endocrine glands and their functions. Endocrine glands produce chemical substances like hormones which control different functions in the body. The main endocrine glands are pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, testes, and ovary. Pituitary gland controls growth and production of hormones by testes and ovary. Thyroid gland produces thyroxine. Its deficiency causes goiter. Adrenal gland produces adrenaline. It helps the body to adjust the stress when we are angry or worried. Pancreas produces insulin. Its deficiency causes diabetes. Testes produces testosterone, which controls production of sperms and secondary sexual character in males. Ovary produces estrogen, which controls production of eggs and secondary sexual characters in female. Reproductive health. To keep the body healthy, everyone should be balanced diet, personal hygiene, physical exercise. Balanced diet is a diet which contains nutrients in the right amounts. Balanced diet should contain cereals, vegetables, fruits, pulses, milk, nuts, meat, eggs, sugar, jaggery, etc. Personal hygiene. Everyone should have a bath at least once a day. If cleanness of body is not done, there can be bacterial infection and diseases. Physical exercise. Walking, playing outdoor games and exercise keeps the body healthy. Say no to drugs. Drugs are addictive. If you take them once, you feel like taking it again and again. They ruin health and happiness. AIDS is a dangerous disease caused by the virus HIV. AIDS spread from an infected person to a healthy person by sexual contact, sharing syringes used for injecting drugs. It is also transferred from the mother to a child through her milk.